The Shiba Inu is a fascinating dog breed that is gaining popularity these days. According to those on the inside, a major breach has occurred. It seems that Shiba Inus may be getting rid of some zeros soon. This is the most unusual thing about it. The Shiba Inu group confirmed it, and it's coming up in 3 days. Tell me what's going on. Also, why is it highly likely that this will happen? Let me explain it more thoroughly. Your daily dose of Shiba wealthy coins is here. If you are interested in Shiba and want to learn more, you have come to the right place. Subscribe if you want to know what's happening in the cryptocurrency market and get the most up-to-date news predictions. Make sure you hit the like button to get more Shiba news. The Shiba Inu Society had quite the interesting day. The current climate is charged with energy because of the Shiba Inu's remarkable comeback. It recently fell, but it's picking up steam again, making up for lost ground and more. As if to say, not today, it has suddenly shrugged off the filth. The most important thing, though, is that a major factor is responsible for all of this excitement. And yeah, the price isn't the only thing that's going up. Today, nothing noteworthy happened. The price of a Shiba Inu for this year has apparently been revealed by an analyst. I feel obligated to let you know that these numbers are absolutely mind-blowing. No one had expected this. The market is teeming with excitement as investors wonder if this is the turning point when everything will change. Nevertheless, allow us to pause for thought. Where does the Shiba Inu price range stand right now? All this excitement has me wondering, what gives? A single analyst report was error-free. As far as they are concerned, Shiba Inus are not confined. It is erupting, not just moving. It was a double eruption for sure. An arrangement that makes savvy traders nervous. It is now being retested. An old-fashioned move made before a big thing happens. And that's not all that's intriguing. A possible growth of about 150% is indicated by the goal zone they are now analyzing. That increase is significant. It is an official kennel-issued mission to the moon. They went so far as to say it out loud. It has already been discovered by the wise investor. It could be time to reconsider ignoring your Shiba Inu in the past. This chart is not causing it to murmur. Overly, it is making a snarling noise. Confirmation of a double eruption. Run a different test. It seems like Shiba Inu is on full beast mode right now. This is the problem, though. Something else should be on your radar. More information about the situation's actual nature has since been revealed by another analyst. There is an unusually large number of Shiba Inus in captivity at the moment. There is talk of tokens worth more than $537 trillion. Yes, a trillion, patiently nestled in wallets. And you know what else? More than 140,000 people have received the tokens. That is more than just a number. It is a crucial one. At this juncture, things start to get interesting. The Shiba Inu token's future price movement may be heavily influenced by a key price zone that it is currently nearing. There has been a recent 3% gain in price, and the asset is now getting close to a concentrated location where many people bought it in the hopes of reaching break-even. According to the experts, this is the zone of potential danger. On the other hand, it may serve as the launch point in this case. Should the Shiba Inu exceed this limit, a disastrous catastrophe could be set in motion. Positive signs are already appearing. The token's price surged over its 50-day moving average, completed the task, surpassing a previously insurmountable psychological hurdle. This is clearly not background noise, as the loudness has increased. The truth is that people are buying things. An actual uptick in demand has occurred. Take a look at this as well. As a momentum indicator, the Relative Strength Index (RSI) is now above the key level that investors like to watch. The Shiba Inu has the potential to be a powerful dog, but it hasn't quite realized its full potential just yet. The real test is about to begin. If the price breaks out with strong volume at a small elevation from where it is now, it can quickly climb to the next resistance area. A significant rise, this would be. Even if there is a temporary dip, support is on the way. As for the lower price point, there is a tried-and-true cushion there. There will be many challenges in the years to come, but things are looking up right now, which is a change from a while ago. Things are looking up on the graph. Everyone is so pumped up, and the volume is just getting better. A substantial rise may be imminent with a single breakout, as there are more than 500 trillion Shiba Inu coins around that resistance zone. Also, an analyst's recent disclosure of a Shiba Inu price projection has triggered extensive discussion, so it's feasible that a major event may not be far off. You have to stop and wonder, is this for real? Because it's honestly one of those predictions. This leads us to the following data. Currently, crypto industry experts are projecting a 1-0 decline in the price of Shiba Inu. As a result, it would enter the 0.19 range. For anyone who is presently harboring, that endeavor is not only substantial, but it is a life-altering experience. From where we are now, we are talking about a possible increase of almost 1,000%. We need to take it apart. A remarkable surge, the Shiba Inu's highest point in years, occurred in March 2024. Having said that, things have not been easy since then. Since their peak, prices have fallen sharply, falling more than 70%. A lot of people thought the thrill had worn off. But what about that? Recently, Shiba Inus have shown that they can still fight. It hit a multi-week high and was a part of the recent relief rally led by Bitcoin. Surely the bear got in there and tried to yank it out, lower itself. On the other hand, how about the power? It hasn't moved from where it is, and this forecast is making things worse. The Shiba Inu might hit the 0.197 level by 2030, according to a poll by Finder, a group of 26 well-known crypto analysts. The present worth is less than 13 times that. Just for a second, try to picture that. For instance, you may make approximately $30,000 with a small investment of $2,000. What you said is true. It is not a cliché. Not to mention that this is only one prediction. Timelines given by other experts are slightly different. There are those who think we can reach that goal by the year 2031. It may happen as early as 2027, according to some. Nonetheless, people are genuinely amazed by this part. Some analysts and even some members of the Shiba Inu ecosystem team have speculated that this could happen in the next few days. The Shiba Inu, according to them, may see a value increase of over 1,000% in as little as 3 days, provided certain conditions are satisfied. It is more than just bold. It doesn't make any sense at all. Nevertheless, the issue pertains to the Bitcoin domain. More severe cases have been our experience. Exceptional behavior has been displayed by Shiba Inus in the past. What gives you the impression that it can't happen again? After the 2028 Bitcoin halving, which is usually followed by large bull rallies, even ChatGPT stated his opinion that Shiba Inu might reach the same price target. Absolutely not. All we can say is that this is only the beginning of a whole new fad. Currently, it's on the horizon because of a major development on the chain. The biggest blockchain wallets reportedly sent about 669 billion Shiba Inu coins, according to Into the Block. At first, people can be worried about such kind of discharge. Is this a dump in your opinion? Is bailing a phenomenon that whales exhibit? On closer inspection, though, it can show the exact opposite. We saw more than 550 billion tokens being sent to different addresses at the same time, even though there was a large outflow. With a negative net flow of somewhat more than 100 billion, outflows are slightly ahead of schedule. Having said that, this does not always portend doom. To be sure, we haven't seen any Shiba Inu Satoshian activity like this in the past few weeks. On top of that, it is not random. Hundreds of billions of dollars in cryptocurrency transactions are not something that whales do for fun. In most cases, they are somewhat knowledgeable. They think they do, however. So the most important question is, do they know anything that we don't? Could this be related to the price leak? Is everything happening at once? Or are we about to see something that has been going on behind the scenes? From whatever vantage point you look at it, this is fantastic news for Shiba Inus. Everything from the whales movements to the forecasts to the price movement is in sync. It seems like a big thing is about to happen. Those of us who are Shiba Inu owners may find this to be a helpful reminder. We will still be able to compete. In fact, a narrative of resurgence might be just around the corner. Not included are Shiba Inus. No, not right now, when things are only getting hotter. The Shiba Inu's future is still bright, even when looking at the bigger perspective. Making sure the development team is always building is vital. Lucy, chief strategist for Shiba Inus, tweeted an exact expression of the attitude. We have built our structure and will keep building. The more we establish